Hey people, Gary here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets and ChatGPT. Alright guys, and the reason we promote the $25 business is because of its affiliate system, which is 80% recurring income. Guys, you get 80% of each sale that you bring in, and it pays you every single month. Guys, that's the best deal you're going to find out here. In fact, it's the best deal for a product I found, period, guys. So if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost, we're going to look at our results. It looks like we didn't get a sale yesterday, but we're going to refresh the page. The reason we do that, and the reason I show you guys the whole thing, is because it's very easy to change all these numbers into whatever I want them to be. Alright. Alright, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine and not a big deal. Now, see, what we're gonna do first is get you your links, guys. Now, this is the link that I use in particular for this particular method I'm gonna show you. By the way, this is the easiest method to do this that I found. Alright, so this is what I use in particular, and what you want to do is look at my descriptions. You're gonna see step 1, step 2, something like that. The step 1, it's going to have a link that says incomespeech.com. You click on it, it's going to take you to this page here. Now what this page here is basically the sales letter for the $25 business, and what it does, it talks about what it is, how much money you can make, blah blah blah, right? And you can make $120 monthly commissions on each customer that you bring in. You can make that much money, which is insane. All right guys, about 10 of those and you got rent. In some places you got whole bill, you know. So what you want to do, by the way, if you're interested in what the all-in-one business is, it's a funnel builder. Funnel builder, there's videos on explaining on exactly what everything is. What a funnel builder is essentially is a bunch of websites getting you to buy something, right? And $25 per month. Anybody that built funnel builder before know that's a fantastic deal. Especially if you click funnels. Click funnels is over $100 a month for like 20 funnels. You have unlimited funnels in this, right guys? So you do all that. They also get a charity as well, as you can see right here. It's talking about charity there. They're giving the charity, but if you're interested in that type of thing. Anyway guys, we're gonna click on yes I want in. If you want to try this out, we click on this, we put in our basic information, card, billing, whatever, right? You come down here and complete order, get instant access. All right, so what I want to do is show you guys this right here. You use my link, you'll get this product here for free, which is HBA Premium. This is basically teaching you how to set up traffic, how to set up ads, how to set up solo ads, telling you what it is, telling you how to do it, and finding the best ways on TikTok, YouTube, whatever, right, on how to promote this product. And it's constantly updated because things change all the time. Rules change, you find a better way to promote, stuff like that. So it's constantly updated. We find other places to promote at, stuff like that. So it's a ton of information, and it's really worth getting for the 14-day free trial here, guys, at least. All right, now the coolest thing about this is that even though you're on the 14-day free trial, if you get a sale in this system, you keep the $100 because it's 80% recurring commission. You'll get $100 every single month if you keep somebody in this system, and you'll keep that. All right guys, you'll keep that if you get the sale within the 14 days, which is fantastic. All right, a complete order, get instant access, blah blah blah. Now what we're gonna do, guys, I'm gonna show you guys the easiest method in which to promote this product. You got your links, all right? You went through all the stuff to get your links. It's very simple if you signed up for an account before. Also, it's videos explaining absolutely everything, so very simple to get. Once you do that, what you want to go is to my second link. It's going to take you to this page here, which is my lead gen secrets, guys. All right, so what my lead gen secrets is, you get 100 leads per day. You can email once per day, so it constantly builds up. These guys are interested in making money online, but they're very cold leads. They're very cold leads and stuff. You get sales with these leads, but it's very cold leads. So you want to get as many sales you think, but it depends on your account really. But some accounts do really well, some accounts do really bad. All right, I'm using my worst account for this. This just to make sure you guys have a very good chance of making money with this method. I will say something else, guys. There's no person that can promise you anything, but I can say that this works for me. It should work for you as well. All right, so we're gonna click on mailing system, and we're gonna click on this right here, and select all our leads here. Now we're gonna use an email that ChatGPT has written for us. First, I want to grab my signature photo real quick. I just want to grab that so I can put it on my next email. You don't gotta put a signature you don't want to. I just do it, but you don't have to. We're gonna go to find out this one. Just load this one in. Pop. Boom, we got an email. We just pop in the signature real quick. Boom, boom, boom. Make it a little smaller. Boom, that looks good. Get it in there. Alright, that looks pretty fine. Alright, that's the whole email right there that ChatGPT has written for us, guys. I already put it in the system, but and I'm just finding it, picking it, sending it. You know what I mean? That's all you really need to do once you got a ton of emails in this. So it takes about 30 seconds in general. If you do it, when you do it on your own, all you gotta do is do that. All right. I recommend recording it some kind of way, making a short or something like that. But to promote more. That's how you do that. So we're gonna hit perfect timing. That's gonna send emails around the time that people check their emails. Also preview. And the reason we hit preview, so we want to make sure our link works. And also what we want to do is I want to give you guys a chance to copy this email. This is the subject here, and this is the email here. So you just can copy and type it. You can pause the video and type it in for yourself. Wish anything like that. That's all it is to that. Now we're gonna send the email. Now make sure you guys follow this method. You'll make money. All right. To make money. It works for me, it should work for you guys. And one thing I want to mention is consistency. The number one way to make money online is consistency. Post a lot. Whatever you post on, post a lot. My number one recommended way to make money online right now is shorts. Post shorts on 3 particular sites that works really well, and that's TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Those are the 3 that you want to focus on. You could try other places as well, but focus on those 3. All right, guys. Post these shorts on those 3. Make sure to post at least once per day. I say 3. I say 3 per day, maybe even 5 to 6 per day. I wouldn't post more than that. And make sure you posting. All right, guys. Make multiple accounts. Do different posts. Make different TikToks or Instagrams with different posts and stuff. Once you kind of figure that out, and you can just add on accounts to your system. So eventually you have like 10 accounts going crazy, and eventually something is gonna go viral, guys. At some point something's gonna go viral. You won't have to worry about money again. That's how you do it, guys. So anyway, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.